OET offers you a life-changing opportunity to start a new healthcare career. We believe in the work that you do, and we want you to achieve your healthcare dream without the need for multiple tests. Being underprepared may make success more difficult to reach. That's why we offer the correct training with our best teachers, so you can go to your test knowing what to expect and feeling positive about the outcome. OET Premium Providers are medical English experts. They have completed a comprehensive OET training program to teach you the skills you need to pass your test with ease. With high-quality materials and extensive experience, they cater their teaching strategies to fit each individual and provide valuable feedback on the assessment criteria. They understand how to replicate test conditions, giving you the most authentic mock test experience to build your confidence for test day. Studying with these language experts will help you understand and learn from your mistakes, as well as know how to avoid them in the future so you can accelerate your improvement. Our premium providers give you a quality experience to ensure you feel comfortable in your future healthcare career from day one. We believe your future deserves the best, so learn from our best teachers and ensure you can fulfill your dreams in making the world a better place.